Well, have you been trying to cover acne breakouts, scars, large pores, all of that? When you have skin conditions, covering them can be a real bitch. But if you've been looking for a product that can do it all, color correction included, in one step, then this video is for you. Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, I'm Chris Gibson, and this is Chris Gibson Live, where we help you look good, feel good, and live good. So again, if you're new, hit the little subscription button and the notification bell and join us. And that way you'll also know when I have new videos up that can be of help to you. Well, as most of you know, it takes a lot for a product to move me. And so I was out west last week in California, and there's a product that's all the rage out there right now. And you see their ads everywhere. So, you know, I want to know, is this really for real? Does this product do everything that it says it does? Well, today we are unboxing a product by IT Cosmetics called CC Plus Cream. And it says it does some pretty amazing things. So we're gonna find out. There is a lot to like about this product. It's actually like 7 products in one. And it has them all in one supposed step. So we're taking the benefits of 7 different types of products and putting them into one product. And a lot of times with these type of products, when I test them, they don't come out so well because they say they're gonna do it all, but they're either too greasy, or they don't cover well, or they don't stay in place, or they don't match the skin tone. So let's talk about that. This product has in one step all-day color correction, all-day hydration, and an SPF of 50. And I know what you're thinking. You guys hear me bitch about SPF 50 all the time. I don't care for products that have SPF 50 in them. They're too greasy, they're too heavy, they're too irritating. But here is what this brand went out and did. They went out and did an SPF of 50 using zinc oxide and titanium oxide, which are both perfectly safe for you and your skin and the environment. So I love, love, love that. And when I tested this product earlier, and I'm gonna demonstrate it here for you in a second, it wasn't greasy. So I was really, really happy with that. So you can get an SPF 50. Again, SPF 30 is plenty in a makeup product, but in this product, SPF 50 works. So that's a big plus. The other thing is that it's clinically tested, and you can see here, it did really, really well in the clinical test. It did very, very high on hydration, on the look of fine lines and wrinkles, on coverage and staying ability. So it rated very well, and I like clinical tests because they are controlled environments where people try out a product and give their feedback based on real results in real time. So that's another plus that this product really does have. The fourth thing I like about this product is it does have 12 shade variations. Now, let me talk about that a second. A lot of us, me included, using any kind of cover up, or for you ladies using a foundation of any kind, a lot of times you fall between shades, even when there is a large palette of color to choose from. So this product is not cheap. It's $40 a pop. So if you get the color shading wrong, even if you use their little map, and they do a really good job on their website of telling you how to pick this, you still may fall between shades. So what to do? You're gonna spend 80 bucks on this product, you know, so you have 2 to mix and match? Well, no. A real good tip for you is when you purchase a product like this that does the kind of work it does, if the shading is off a little, take a little of your concealer, take a little of a lighter foundation if it's too dark, a little darker foundation if it's too light, and blend that in ever so little amounts so that you get the shading just right. Then you have the product's benefits with the color match without having to spend $80 to get 2 of these to work it out right. And then when you reorder, if you reorder, which I'm sure you will, this is a really great product, then, you know, go up a shade or down a shade, but you still may find that you need to blend just to make it perfect. So again, I tried it and it worked very, very well for me. So I'm gonna demonstrate it here on the camera. I'm gonna do it up close and personal, and I know you guys love that, right? So this product takes very, 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 very little to work. So I'm going to apply it, and you can see that this is pretty close of match to my skin. So you do 1/2 face so you guys can kind of see. And I'm gonna even adjust the lighting a little bit for you here so that that's better. And it's a little, there, now you can better see. All right, so you see how well it does. Okay, I don't have a lot of breakouts anymore. I don't have a lot of marks. However, I have this nice little fellow here that showed up on my trip. Probably got it from some kind of gross touching the plane or whatever. But anyway, I had a bump come up here, and we're gonna cover it up and see how well this works. We're gonna see if we can make it disappear with all this bright light. You see it blends into my skin because I have the right shade. Oh wow, look at that. It's completely gone, completely gone. So there you have it. This product works extremely well. It's moderately priced, but I think it's worth it if it's a problem that you have getting coverage to make things look even on your skin. It does, again, there's 7 different types of products that it has the benefits from. So again, there's 7 different type of benefits from different products that you get in one product, so you're really saving money and it works very well. Now for some other ways that you can cover up acne scarring and acne bumps, I've got a couple of videos I'm gonna put right over here for you to check out. So hit the little notification bell and I will see you over on the next one.